Hi Deb, here we are again, and today we will solve another code challenge. Remember, this playlist is a list of code challenges to prepare us to do a technical interview in the format of live coding. So if you are participating in a process of hiring for an international project, it is pretty common to see this kind of challenge in a technical interview. The purpose of this format is to check if you have skills to solve problem. So here we don't will care about better performance, better architectural decisions, patterns. No, the main point is solve the problem most quick as possible in most easy way. Okay, so don't care about clean code and good practice. Let's solve this challenge quickly. Okay, because if we solve it quick, the interviewer will understand we can easily resolve problems. So let's um, give this image from us. The perspective of the interviewer is, okay, this guy can solve the problem easy. So let's move forward with this candidate. So keep this in mind, okay? So with this in mind, let's start to solve this problem. Just a brief about what we need to do. Basically, we have a list of words and we have a text area, and below we have an output. The final result will be during my typing inside the text area, I need to display the output here below. And when I click show all words, I don't will hide anything. But if I turn it, I will omit the word inside this specific list, and the word is the sorry the and or but. Okay, so if I click omit word, I will keep it showing the sentence but hiding these specific words. And when I click clear, I want to clear everything and return to initial state. Okay, so let's start with our solution. Remember, the most simple way. Okay, so we have this input state, and the UI is already implemented. We don't need to care about the UI in this challenge. We just need to care about this function and this function, and both are already integrated with the UI, and we need to care just about the logic inside it. Okay, so let's start with our logic solution. First, we will take the input, and these function are returning what we will display here below, right? So now it's always returning an empty string, but we will start with the first logic inside it, and the logic will be if I have my input text and this length b um, equals 0, return as empty string. Okay. What is the next step? Okay, I have a content inside my input text, and I wanna apply my logic to filter this list of words from the sentence. Okay, but when we start inside this function, the input text is a string, and this string can be something like my name is Marcel. But I don't want to handle with this string as a string. I want to handle with this as an array, because I can compare word by word with my list of omitted words. Okay, so To transform our inputs, because this is a string, in a list of string, and each word be a new string, we will do that. Split, and the separator will be the space. So I have the first word, space, second word, space, and third word, and we will split it in a list of words. Okay, so let's break this down and let's do another handle with this. Okay, now we have a list of words and we want to check if this word is inside my allowed list. So how we will do that? We will apply a filter, okay? And we will take the word, and what we will do? We will confirm if omitted words includes my words, okay? But we wanna hide if the word include. So in this case, we don't want to return when it exists. We don't return when it's not exist. So we will use this signal to invert this logic, okay? Now we are returning the words that is not included on it, but this will happen only, and now I will cut this because I want to pass it inside an if, and then the if will be if omit word. In this case, we will return this logic. And if we don't have omit word active, we will return the input, the total input, the input without any change, okay? Now, but it's not done yet because, for example, if we try to type, for example, my name is Marcel, the developer, and I don't know, YouTuber, but not popular. Popular. Okay? So, as you can see, we don't have space in my final result. And how we can solve it easily? We can do um, we have a method to join the word, including um, a value between them. For example, we can join, because here JavaScript handler, just a comment, JavaScript handler with array and display it in the screen, but it's still an array. To solve it easily, we will do a join, and we will use a string with an empty space between the words, and the final result is here. But we need to have attention in one detail. Let me see. Let me replace my to the. The name is Marcel. Okay, the is inside the list of omitted word, but I'm showing the here in the output. It is because it is it is case sensitive. My word is the with T in capitalized, but my list is lowercase. To handle with this correctly, we need to do toLowerCase. This is the native method from JavaScript to transform everything to lowercase. So now I'm comparing my word in lowercase with lowercase. So now I can cover things like the, it is omitted. Okay, the Marcel and David or Jacob. Okay, so I can uh, click to show everything and omit the word. Show everything, omit the word. Okay. Let's confirm now if everything is working good. I think we are covering all scenarios. First, we separate the string in a list and we filter the word if is included in our allowed list, and we are doing a lowercase to handle with case sensitive, and in final result we are joining adding space again because we remove here and we add again. Okay, I think everything is working good. We just need to clear the state with, when we clear on the button clear, we need to clear everything. So we just need to do that. And okay, save it. And our button clear is working correctly. Now let's run the test. Everything is passing, and let's submit. Done. Well done. Everything is working correctly. And we solve the challenge, focus on to resolve it in an easy way. Keep it simple and stupid, because the main point here is to make sure your ability to solve problems. Okay, let's keep it in mind when you prepare yourself to a live code challenge in a technical interview. And I wish luck for you, and follow for more. Please press the button like, and let's prepare ourselves to have a good performance in a process of hire process international company. And I hope this was helpful for you. See you in the next video.